Are you guys ready for the Ontario READY program or the READY pilot, the Regional Economic Development through Immigration pilot, where there are participating communities where if you are applying for an OINP employer job offer stream and you're located in those specific communities, you may have advantage in your application for provincial nomination program. So once again, it's called REDI, R-E-D-I, Regional Economic Development through Immigration. This is a one-year pilot for now, and it has participating communities. I'm gonna type the participating communities in the comment or in the description. And this is of course for Ontario applicants under the employer-driven programs. So if you qualify, there's no special criteria. You just do your regular expression of interest, and if you happen to be in one of those targeted participating communities, you could take advantage of targeted draws for the year 2025. So currently there are 4 participating communities. I'm gonna type it below, and then good luck in your OINP employer job offer stream in those participating communities. Once again, this is Kuya Mikmik. Please do follow us for more immigration updates.